Hey, it's another day with May, and today we are making a turmeric latte. For your ingredients, you will need clove, black pepper, a star anise, cardamom, turmeric, your favorite milk. Here I'm using coconut milk. Well, it's actually coconut cream, but I'm gonna make it into coconut milk. And honey, or any sweetener that you like. All right, let's get brewing. First, you wanna add all of your spices except the turmeric and the star anise. So I'm gonna put in my clove, the pepper, forget the star anise, and then the cardamom pods. All right, we're gonna crush those up. This will help release its essential oils to make it super flavorful. Without doing this, it won't really taste like much. You won't get the full benefits of all of these beautiful spices. All right, so you want it to look like that. So it doesn't need to be too fine, but just really ground up enough so you get all those flavors. All right, now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and take it over to our pot. Okay, so what you need to do first is set your stove on a medium heat temperature and let your pot preheat. So now that it's nice and warm, you wanna add in your spices that you ground up just to really bring out those flavors a little bit more. You don't want to heat them up too much because you don't want to burn them, but this will help release the flavor a bit better. All right, now I'm going to add in my turmeric. All right, now next you want to add in your half a cup of water. Let that sit and let all of those spices really soak into the water. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, so now I'm going to add in my coconut milk, or coconut cream I guess I'm using here, but it'll turn into coconut milk because there's a lot of water in there. All right, now I'm going to take my star anise and just let that infuse while this is all cooking. And I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. All right, so now it's starting to simmer a little bit. It's time to add in our maple syrup. So I'm just gonna add about a teaspoon, but you can make it as sweet as you want. You don't even have to add the honey. This is totally optional. So now that we're done, we're going to transfer it into our cup. Grab your strainer, place it on top of your cup, and pour. But be very careful. You don't want to spill turmeric everywhere. Oops, like I just did there. Make sure you do this on a surface that won't stain easily because turmeric stains very easily. All right. There we go. All right, I'm gonna clean all that up and enjoy my turmeric latte.